Hello, I am Anna from Edu4U. In this presentation, I will show you what Year Zero is all about and what are the admission thresholds and finances for Year Zero in England. Let's start. Zero Year is an amazing option for people who do not have a high school diploma and want to start studying in the UK. During Zero Year, lectures and workshops are conducted in groups of 10 to 20 people. Extra English classes are available. Teachers spend more time with students. Students assimilate the British education system. And finally, students prepare for promotion to the first year of study. For Zero Year in England, you don't need a high school finished or high school diploma. You just need 1 year of work experience, pass a quick and easy English test, and download share code from a government site. Finance in college is very beneficial for students. In many cases, students do not even repay the loan because they do not exceed the earning threshold. The biggest incentive is a loan that covers living expenses of around £14,000 a year, and it goes into a student account. You can use this money for private expenses. How it's working? If you are interested, contact us on WhatsApp. Our consultants will help you choose a university and course. Then we will send your application online and finally start studying. Remember that our help is free. Thanks for watching. If you are interested in studying in the UK, please contact us on WhatsApp. Remember that our help is free. We look forward to hearing from you.